84% nylon, 16% spandex imported hook, and eye closure hand wash, gentle soap. Line dry. Do not bleach. Do not iron. Do not dry clean. To avoid staining, wear nursing pads when using ointments or lanolin products. Simplify your routine. Our new, patented hands-free pumping bra with EasyClip is a game changer for nursing and pumping mamas. The innovative dual clip functionality allows for hands-free pumping, unobstructed nursing access, or tandem nursing and pumping. No wardrobe change necessary. Revolutionary design, featuring the EasyClip. Our new and improved design is protected by U.S. patent number 10,231,491. The innovative EasyClip system features two clips, one for the pumping layer and one for the nursing layer. Multitask like a mother. This all-in-one pumping and nursing bra eliminates the need for separate pumping bras or accessories. You'll find this multi-layer nursing bra easy to use and comfortable to wear. Just unclip the top layer, insert your flanges, and enjoy being able to multitask while you pump. Show more in the description to get this product today at the best price. 84% nylon, 16% spandex imported hook, and eye closure hand wash, gentle soap. Line dry. Do not bleach.